This is my favorite Disney park memory. It started with the plane ride. Disney's park is now where we reside. Took a ferry to the main gate. First thing first, a portrait we must take. Couldn't leave home without our autograph books. So many characters we had to look. There is Mickey and Minnie too. But the Princess Rock I thought you knew. I am a princess. We saw a princess. I am a princess. We saw a princess. Okay, back to the rides real fast. From park to park with the hopper pass. And let me tell you about the night. The dark was lit with so many lights. I must say, if I might, this time we was out without a fight.